Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a clean video, a whole house clean with me. I'm whispering because my daughter's sleeping, but we're going to start off in the kitchen and then we're just going to move along to the rest of the house. I didn't show none of the laundry, which I did, but there's our dog, Bane. He's new to the family. We've had him for a few months now. But yeah, let's get into it. And also, don't mind how rough I look in this video. I had surgery 2 weeks ago, so I'm pretty rough. And this is pretty much the first time I was really cleaning since I had my surgery. So I look really tired and rough. If anybody cares, but if you guys want like a story time of what I had surgery for and what it was on, I don't know, just message me on Instagram or you can just comment below and I will share my story. going into my daughter's room. It's not too bad. It's actually really clean compared to what it normally is. She usually don't play in here unless her cousins come over. She likes it pretty clean. I did not make her bed because her dog Elsa was laying on it and I wasn't going to disturb her. So the bed didn't get made the whole time I was in the room, but that's alright. Now onto my son Hunter's room. He usually, like I said, he keeps his room pretty clean too most of the time. But I was just coming here and kind of give it my own little cleanup because, you know, he's a boy, he's 12. He does try to keep it as clean as he can. I guess he could clean it more, but I always feel good just coming in there and cleaning it while they're in school and they come home and he has a clean room. And he really appreciates it. He always tells me thank you. And he always has a smile on his face when he comes into the room and sees it all nice and clean. So now onto the kids' bathroom. It just needed a pretty good wipe down. Of course, always the toilet needs clean because it just always is dirty on the floor. So I don't like going in there and having to clean the toilet every second, but I do because you have to. But this is our small little second bathroom. It's what the kids use most of the time. And no, we do not have a faucet yet in here. Well, we have a faucet, but we don't have the right lines still. I still have to get those. I always forget when I go to the store. But we usually use the kitchen, bathroom, or my bathroom to wash our hands. So hopefully soon we'll get the lines that we need. And I have been collecting. I got me a new bed frame. I got a new fan, and I gotta figure out what color paint I want. But I will be having a bedroom makeover pretty soon. I'm still waiting to get everything that I need. And we're working on the bathroom, remodeling the bathroom right now. So I'm not really doing that many videos because my dad, he's pretty much doing my bathroom, and he doesn't like to be on camera. So I will not be posting no videos of my bathroom, really. I was just gonna do maybe a decorating, a little bit before and after pictures, but I'm not really gonna do it actually detailed video of the bathroom. But yeah, this is my video, and thank you guys for watching. You guys can enjoy my little doggies. That's Phoebe, and the big one's Elsa. But yep, I will see you guys in the next video.